Good morning, friends. Session 34, types of correlation. Positive and negative correlation. Second one, simple and multiple correlation. Third one, partial and total correlation. Fourth one, linear and non-linear correlation. Fifth one, logical and illogical correlation. The first one, positive and negative correlation. Positive correlation, if both the variables are moving in the same direction, increasing or decreasing. Variables means some of the changing values. It may be increasing or decreasing. For example, the price and supply. Positive correlation means if two variables, the price is going it is increasing, the supply also increasing in the same direction. It may be increasing or decreasing. If both variables, price increases, supply increases, price decreases, supply decreases, the correlation is said to be positive. So this is the example of price and supply. Next one is negative correlation. If both the variables are moving in opposite direction, the correlation is said to be negative. If the price increases, the demand for that commodity decreases. If the price decreases, the demand for that commodity increases. They are going in the opposite direction. So that it is the negative correlation. Simple and multiple correlation. Second type. The first type is positive and negative correlation. Second type is simple and multiple correlation. Simple correlation. When only two variables are studied, it is called simple correlation. Here, correlation means relationship between the two or more. What is the relationship between the two variables? If it is only two, means that it is called as the simple correlation. For example, correlation between income and consumption. Here, income is more, consumption is also more. The type of if the amount of the income is more, the type of the consumption is also more. That is called as the simple correlation. Here, the relationship between the income and consumption is there. How much it is there? It is more or less. So that is the simple correlation. Multiple correlation. When more than two variables are studied, it is called multiple correlation. If you are determining, you are calculating, you are studying about the relationship between the two or more, then the correlation between the marks in accountancy, marks in statistics, marks in business, if here more than two are there, in such type of the variables, if you calculate the correlation, it is called as the multiple correlation. Partial and total correlation. Third one, partial and total correlation. First one is, it is the positive and negative correlation. Second one is simple and multiple correlation. Third one, partial and total correlation. Partial correlation, when there are more than two variables and the relationship of only two variables are studied, it is called partial correlation. If three or more, if 10 variables are there in the group, we are finding 10 variables. In this, we are considering only two, and you are establishing the relationship between the two. That is called as the partial correlation. In the partial correlation, you have to select the two variables. It should be representative of all the 10. In such a, it is possible to select it. and then you can go for the partial correlation. Then total correlation. When the correlation between all the variables under the study are taken together for calculation, it is called total correlation. Relationship you are finding and total, what the example which has been given, 10 are there, 10 variables are there. You are going for the 10 variables, that entire group, not randomly selecting and only a few has been selected and you are studying. You are studying about entire thing. That is called as the total correlation. Fourth one is linear and non-linear correlation. Linear correlation, if the ratio of the change in one variable tends to bear constant ratio of change in another variable, it is called linear correlation. The change in the one variable, the ratio of the one variable is constant which with the other variable, other ratio also. What the increasing ratio? It is going on. The other one is also going on in the same increasing ratio. That is called as the linear correlation. Non-linear correlation. If the amount of change in one variable do not vary a constant ratio to the amount of change in the other variable, it is called non-linear correlation. If one of the set, you are saying that the ratio which has been increasing with the 1:2 and the other series is increasing in the 10:20, 15:30. In that way, if you going on, the ratio is going on, that it is called as the non-linear ratio. Fifth one, logical and illogical correlation. Logical correlation, when the correlation between two variables is not only mathematically different but also logically sound, it is called logical correlation. Here we are establishing the relationship between the two, and then you are getting the value. What you have been solved, you got the value. But however, it is unfair. What the concept which has been you are studying, what the determination, what you get, it is not according to the present situation or the what the correct picture it is not showing. Then it is called as the if it is showing means it is logical. What the mathematical value which is there, and in the practically also you are getting the same one, it is called as the logical correlation. Illogical correlation, the correlation between two unrelated variables which can though be determined mathematically yet are not based on any logic, it is called illogical correlation. Only you are going for the mathematical calculation and it is not having any their practical applicability must be there. What you have been derived, that has to apply, that has to get the scope. In that way you have to here have the relationship, and this what the mathematically have been determined should practically be, you have to approve in such a way you have to get it. Logical means what the mathematical value got, the same thing in the practical also it is applicable. But illogical correlation means what you determined, the same is not having its own applicability or in the implementation way, or practically we cannot approve this one. Illogical, it cannot be approved because it is entirely different what the mathematical value which you arrive and the practically what it is there. If it is not matching, then what you have been derived, it is absolutely, it is not successful. So here what you have to do means you have to go to know about the whether it is the logical relationship or illogical correlation is there. Mathematically you have to get it, and also practically you have to see that it is applied, approved in the practical life also, and that you have to see. So this is about the logical and illogical correlation. Here 5 types of the correlation are there. The first one is positive and negative correlation. If two variables are going in the same direction, it is called as the positive correlation. If the two variables are going out opposite direction, it is called as negative correlation. Simple and multiple correlation. When two variables values has been considered, it is called as the simple correlation. Multiple, if more than two are there, it is called as the multiple correlation. Partial and total correlation. In the group, only if you choose the two, then it is called as the partial. If you choose the entire, that it is out of 10 you have been selected, means it is called as the total correlation. Linear and non-linear correlation. Linear, it is tend to be constant ratio. If one increasing, other is also increasing the same ratio. Non-linear, if it is increasing in the smaller amount and the second one is increasing in the larger amount, then it is called as the non-linear correlation. Logical correlation, what the mathematical value you have been arrived, the same you have been approved in the practical life, that it is called as the logical. What the illogical correlation, what the mathematical value have been obtained, if it is not up to the mark of the practical appliances, it is called as the illogical correlation. Thank you.